Okay, right now I'm going to show you another useful live stream website called Streamyard. So Streamyard is a live stream studio in your browser. Okay, so you can stream directly to your Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and also Twitch. So right now let's get started. Okay, in here you need to type in your email. Okay, after you already sign in, you will get to this page. So you can add a destination, like you can connect to your Facebook page, okay, Facebook group, and also your Facebook profile, okay, and also Twitch, YouTube channel, LinkedIn, okay. So for me it's Facebook profile. Okay, choose my profile. Okay, your Facebook profile was connected. After you already connect, so right now we go to see the pricing. So right now I'm using the free version, so I have some limitation. So you can see the limitation between free, basic, and professional. Okay, you can compare between. So right now let's create a broadcast. So in here, choose my Facebook profile. You can add a title, description. Great. Okay, we need to allow mic and cam access. Allow. Okay, after that the StreamYard will set up the mic and the webcam for your live stream for you. Right now, enter your display name. Okay, you can mute, unmute, you can stop camera. Here you can click the setting. You can edit your audio and camera. So let's enter. Okay, so below you can see the different layout for your stream. So you can add to stream. Okay, so you can add multiple people into your stream. Okay, and you can choose a layout, and then in the right side is a comment section. You can view your user that comment on your live stream. In the top corner you can edit your title and description. Okay, so in the below you can also mute your mic, start your camera, stop. You also can share your own screen. Okay, you can invite people by copying Discord and then send to your guests, so you can invite them to your live stream. And then the banner on the right corner, in here you can create a banner. Okay, add banner. Okay, you can edit the banner. You can click here to show. Okay, the banner will show in your live stream, and then you can click again to hide. Okay, you can delete it. Okay, so brand, in here you can edit your brand color, your banner theme, and you can upload a logo. So currently I'm using a free version, so I cannot upload my own logo. So in below you can add overlay. Okay, so also the same, I'm using the free version, so and below are the background. Okay, the background. You also can disable the display name, and you can change your brand color. Okay, in setting you can setting your camera, your audio, green screen, and also your guest. And this is the Streamyard website, so it is easy to use and very simple. And after you already set up your live stream, you can click go live, and then your live stream will go live. So that's it for the Streamyard. Thank you.